Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with OnStar and Chevrolet Connect emergency communication system, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 premium audio system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, two-way power driver lumbar control, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system with AM/FM radio, front passenger four-way manual seat adjuster, premium cloth seat trim, keyless entry, electronic stability control, speed sensing steering, and has less than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.